everybody, thank you again for joining me today. So I have, or actually our recipe for today is the elote salad. So elote is corn in Spanish. So we are gonna make our elote salad today. There are a couple of steps that I am skipping for today for this video. But however, if you do wanna see those parts, which is shucking off the ears of the corn and then roasting it on a stovetop. If you want to see that part of the recipe, you can also watch our chili lime street corn video, and apricot amber will show you how to do that part. So I'm skipping that part for today, and if you want to see it, don't forget you can find all of our recipe and our video at our website, foodliteracycenter.org. Okay, so I already roasted my corn, so it's all ready to go. It smells really good. It's been sitting here, so it's cool off, it's ready to go. And before you scrape off the corn kernel, you just want to make sure that a couple of things are ready. So I'm going to show you a couple of ways to do it, and also different knives that you can use. All right, so again, you want to make sure that the bottom part is as flat as it can be. So I'm gonna cut that out. As you can see, it's really hard, and once you get through half of it, I think you can just break it off just like that. And the first way I'm going to show you is doing it on a cutting board. So make sure everything is flat, and then just grab a knife that you're going to use, and you want to make sure that your hand is nowhere near the area that the knife is going to fall down on. Okay, so just hold it using your claw and scrape off the corn kernel. So what happens with this is that it's gonna fall all over, and it might fall into the ground, it might fly off onto the table. But here is one way that we could do it. Okay, so don't cut too deep and where you want to sort of scrape it off outward, because you're gonna get the insides of the corn and it's a little hard. Okay, so you see that? Now it's all over. Okay, fun. Ooh, don't miss that part. You want to get all the corn kernel. Nice. Okay, so now I have that. We'll toss this out, and this step, using that method, also requires another step, which is taking it from your cutting board and throwing it into your bowl. If you have a really light cutting board, then you can just slide everything into your bowl. But this cutting board is really heavy, so I'm just gonna pick it up and throw it into my bowl. Okay, we got a good amount of it. And another way to do it is to just scrape it off right into the bowl. So again, find a flat area, make sure it's not wobbling, and this time we're going to use our plastic knife. So see how well it does, because this is actually my first time trying this out, so we'll see how well this knife is. And kids, if it works, which it is working, you can definitely do this part. If we are using the sharp knife, then adults, I would need you to supervise. So looks like our plastic knife is working. This is really fun. So kids, you should definitely do this part. Okay. Okay. It's not as clean as the sharp knife, but it does the job. Okay. Alright, I think I got everything. And now we're gonna put it in the bowl again, but we're gonna try it with a butter knife. So let's see. Okay, a lot of the juices are coming out, but it's still going. So it works too. So kiddos, if you have a butter knife, that will do the job. Just might be a little tough. It's a little, so you just gotta do this. Oh, put a lot of energy and a lot of muscle into this. If you are sitting down while doing this, you might have to stand up. Okay. Yep, this is using a lot of my strength with the butter knife, but it works. Okay. Okay. Now I'm just gonna go around, make sure I get all of the kernel. Just scrape it lightly, like that, to get the rest of them. Okay. And you got your corn. You got your corn in your bowl. Okay. Set that off to the side. We're gonna leave it right here because now everything is just gonna go in here. So the next thing is cilantro. I need about 1/4 of a cup of cilantro. And don't forget, one of the most important tool in the kitchen is your hand. So we can just rip our cilantro into our bowl. Just like that. Okay. You can do big pieces, big chunks, or small chunk. I kind of like them like that size. So that's what I'm doing. That's a little bit too long, so I'm gonna break that up. And then what's next? We have our sour cream. 1/4 of a cup of sour cream, all measured out already. And if I have anything creamy, if I have any ingredients that is creamy or liquidy that I want to make sure all of it gets out, I always grab a spatula so that all of it gets used. Helps clean the bowl too. So when you do the dishes later, it's gonna be really helpful to have gotten everything out of your bowl. Okay. Almost there. All right. Maybe I'll use that. I'll use that to stir. Okay. What else? We need juice of the lime, of 1 lime. So now I'll set my bowl aside and cut up the lime. I like to give it a little squeeze and roll it around so that the juice comes out. All right. And adult, what you can do is just cut them into this size and have the kids squeeze it out. So it says one lime, so we're gonna get the juice of 1 whole lime. Squeeze it around, go in a circle. Make sure you get all of them. If you like the sourness of lime, you can probably add another lime. Okay. Looking good. Nice. Okay, I think I got most of them out. What is next? Then we have chili powder. 1 teaspoon of chili powder. So if you remember your measuring spoons, which one is going to be our 1 teaspoon? It's going to be this one. So I'm going to take 1 teaspoon. And this is optional. If you don't really like spicy or too much chili, then you don't have to put it in. I like it, but if you like a lot of spice, you could probably put extra. I'm gonna start with 1 teaspoon, and if I feel like I need more spice in there, then I will add more. Always start with just a little, and if you want more, then you can always add it as you go. And then next thing is we need a 1/2 teaspoon. So a 1/2 teaspoon. Where's my 1/2 teaspoon? 1/4. 1/2 is this one, and that is for black pepper. Black pepper. There you go. Shake it off into the bowl. Another spice is oregano, and we need 1/4 of oregano. Look. It's the tiny one. Tiny one. Okay. Ooh, the black pepper. Okay. Gotta take a step back. all of these spices. Whew. Okay. Okay, ooh, black pepper. I forgot about that. Okay. I'm so sorry. All right. Always be careful if you have a lot of spices. Cotija. Oh, let me go get some water. Whew. I feel better. Now we have cotija cheese. And you're just going to use your hand to crumble it. Just like that. And we need about 2 tablespoons of that. So I think that is good. There we go. That is it. All you have to do now is stir it up. Mix it up. And take a step back as you mix it up. Oh, it looks so good. Mix it. Make sure that all of the spices and the sour cream and the cilantro is all mixed together. Okay, all right. Now we're gonna put it into a smaller bowl and we get to try it out. Oh, actually my black pepper is not mixed. There you go. Okay. All right. Actually, you know, let me show you my big bowl. Here's how it is. That's how it looks like. And that's my little bowl. That's for me. I'm gonna try that out. Yeah, I could use a little more wine, but this is so good. This is perfect. So that is our elote salad. Very good recipe. If you buy any corn, if you have extra corn, this is a really good recipe to try out. Don't forget to support your local farmers market. Check out our website for volunteer opportunities to donate and just all the other recipes that we have. So thank you so much again for joining me today, and I hope you have an amazing day. Bye.